Hello guys, welcome to Vision Let's. In this class, we'll learn about clone stamp tool and more. So let's start our today's class. Alright, select your clone stamp tool from here, or you can simply press S on your keyboard for its shortcut. As you can see, this is like a brush tool which we learned in our previous classes. But this tool makes clone of an object. For example, let's clone this boat right here. Simply hold Alt on your keyboard and left click on the boat to pick the source, which tells the tool that this is our source. Now you can simply click anywhere to make a clone of this boat. And simply left click here. Always take a new layer so you will not destroy your main image. But after taking new layer, you will see it's not creating clone. For this you have to go to the sample and select this current and below or all layers. Now you can clone in new layer. Now you can select and clone anything. Hold Alt, left click to select this. But if you want more than one source or more than one object, go to Windows and select this clone source. Now this tab will appear and these small stamps can now pick different sources. Like for this one, I'll select the trees, and for the second little stamp I'll select boat, and for the third one I'll select these clouds or a single cloud. All these little stamps identifies a different source. Now if you select first stamp, it will create trees, and if you select second stamp, it will create boat, and for the third one it will create cloud. But if you want to clone the object in different and opposite direction, like you want to clone same exact mountain or these trees in opposite direction, simply click on this. Now pick the source and now simply clone the image. Now moving on to next tool, which is our pattern stamp tool. From this tool you can create different patterns. You will see this pattern library. Click on it and you will see some presets of patterns. Select any of these and turn off these options and simply paint over your image, and you will see this creates pattern on your image. And if you want your custom pattern, you can also create that. First, make a selection around your object like this. Go to edit and select this define pattern and name your pattern anything. Now you can paint your custom pattern on any image. And if you want to random fill your pattern all over your image, you can also do that. Simply hold Shift and backspace and set this content to pattern. Now select your custom pattern and set this random fill, and you can also create different things like this spiral. Different fills will automatically fill your single pattern all over your image. Now simply hit OK and adjust these settings for more bigger or smaller pattern fields, how congested you want, how separate you want, and simply hit OK. You can now see it will randomly fill your custom pattern over your image. So this is it for today's class. Practice these tools and previous tools. We'll see you guys in our next class.